Today, I would like to introduce our new mini excavator, U22. U22 is a popular model which is sold in various countries where the working space is limited, such as Japan. We are very pleased to introduce this U22 into Indian market with confidence. So let me make walk around of U22 to introduce some major features. So first point is operability. Our U22 brings you a smooth operation to improve your excavating productivity. Thanks to our 3-pump hydraulic system, it enables simultaneous work with boom, arm, bucket, swivel, and also its traveling performance. So second point is the engine. We Kubota is a manufacturer of mini excavators, but also for engines. Our world-class engines offers less noise, vibration, and also less fuel consumption. So next point is the dimension. U22 with zero tail swings will be a new alternative for especially a walk with limited access. So dimension set between U17 and U30. And the track width is 1400 millimeters. So another point is spacious. Spacious footwear space provide you a comfort. Like myself, such as world-class body can enjoy a wide foot space. Now, you are interested in our 2.2-ton mini excavator U22. So please contact your nearest dealer to experience these features.